Race number 20 out of that last race of the opening section, going to be the pro class, 100%. Got Kurt Jacobs, Michael Brewer, Cruz Purcell, Dylan South, Dawson Holland, and Jordan Collins. See several of them lined up back here behind you already, waiting to get in the game. First, we're going to go with